Hello, and welcome to Story Time with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is All Aboard Great Lakes. We'll be using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects while we read along with this book. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out, and we'll get started. All aboard to the Great Lakes, watching the ships go up and down. Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, Lake Superior. Picking cherries with our friends. Traverse City, Michigan. Lake Michigan. Sailing past the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois, Lake Michigan. Searching for long-forgotten treasure, Lake Erie. Bicycling along the lake, Mackinac Island, Michigan, Lake Huron. Hoping for a bite, North Shore, Minnesota, Lake Superior. Looking out over the bluffs, Scarborough Bluffs, Toronto, Canada, Lake Ontario. Kayaking around the coves, Cave Point, Wisconsin, Lake Michigan. Listening to the roaring waterfall, Niagara Falls, New York, Lake Erie. Thank you so much for joining me today as we were reading this book about the Great Lakes. I hope you had fun as we were using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects. Here in the back of the book, you can see a fun way to use the mini objects is to use the Great Lakes Seek and Find. You can find 4 cherry trees, a bee, a fishing pole, 5 rain slickers, a kayak, the bridge, 21 fish, a fox, a scuba diver, and a bicycle. You can find more Say and Play Story Kit mini objects at speechandsmile.com. Thanks so much for joining me, and make it a great day.